In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom Canva map animation with a car road effect. We're going to build a simple, clean animation where a car appears to travel along a route on a map. This is perfect for travel videos, route explainers, or showcasing a journey from one location to another. First, open Canva and create a new design in the size you need. A standard 16 by 9 presentation or video format works really well for YouTube and most social platforms. Once your blank canvas is open, head to the Elements tab and search for Map. Here, you can choose from static map graphics or more stylized illustrations. Pick one that fits the look of your project and drag it onto your canvas. Resize and position it so your key locations are clearly visible. Next, we'll add the route itself. Still in Elements, search for Line or Dashed Line. Choose a simple line that you can easily curve. Place it roughly along the path you want the car to follow. Then use the handles to bend and adjust it so it traces your desired route between the starting and ending points. You can change the color and thickness of the line so it stands out nicely against your map. Now we need a car icon. In Elements, search for Car or Car Icon and select a simple, flat graphic. Avoid overly detailed images because they can look messy when animated. Position the car at the starting point of your route and resize it so it looks proportional to the map. With everything in place, it's time to animate. Select the car icon, then click on Animate. Choose a motion animation that moves the car across the screen, such as Move or a similar effect, and adjust the direction so the car travels along your route. You might need to rotate the car slightly so it appears to follow the line naturally. Use the timeline controls at the bottom to adjust how long the movement lasts. A duration of 5 to 8 seconds usually feels smooth and easy to follow. To enhance the effect, you can animate the route line as well. Select the line, go back to Animate, and look for a draw or wipe style effect so the route appears as the car travels. Sync the timing so the line draws on roughly in step with the car's motion. Finally, preview your animation. Make small adjustments to timing and positioning if needed. Then export it as an MP4 video. You now have a custom Canva map animation showing a clear, engaging car route.